And now we're about to learn the no particle, which basically gives more information about another noun. This is how it works. First we have noun A, the first noun, followed by no, and then noun B. The second noun, noun B, is actually the main item in the sentence. Noun A is any added information, anything we want to say extra about B. But it can also be used as the possessive, so basically apostrophe S in English. But in this case, noun A is the owner, then we have no, and noun B is the item that the person owns. Andy no keitai. Andy no keitai. In modern Japanese, most people don't say keitai really. They usually say sumaho, katakana English for smartphone. But I still use keitai. Andy no keitai. This is the possessive. Andy's cell phone. Andy no keitai. Or boku no keitai. My cell phone. But in our next sentence, youchien no sensei. Youchien is kindergarten. Sensei is a teacher. So kindergarten teacher. Now this is not the possessive. It's similar, but it's not the possessive like we think of it in English. It's describing more about noun B. Noun B in this situation is sensei. And what kind of teacher? Let's talk about it more. Well, they're a kindergarten teacher. So we say youchien no sensei. In our next sentence, we have yakyū no senshu, baseball player. Senshu is a player. What kind of player? Well, they're a baseball player. Yakyū no senshu. If you look at these sentences, it's kind of the ssame order as in English, except there's an extra step, right? In English, we have kindergarten teacher. There's nothing in between. We have baseball player, nothing in between. Yakyū no senshu wa tsuyoi desu. Baseball players are strong. So our X is yakyū no senshu. That's the topic. Wa tsuyoi desu. Baseball players are strong. Andy no keitai wa kuro desu. My cell phone. Andy's cell phone is black. Andy no keitai wa kuro desu. Watashi no okaasan wa youchien no sensei desu. My mom is a kindergarten teacher. Watashi no okaasan, or boku no okaasan. My mom. So in this case, it's the possessive. My mom, or my mother, and she's the topic. She's a youchien no sensei desu. She is a kindergarten teacher. And that's true, actually. My mother is a kindergarten teacher.